Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about income statement. If you take a financial statement, there are three financial statements in finance. One is balance sheet, and one more thing is cash flow statement, and one more thing is income statement. Income statement is most important aspect in the perception of profit maximization as well as wealth maximization. If you take any organization, they are running for a profit as well as for their wealth. So if we want to gain more profit or the things, wealth maximization, income statement is one of the most important financial statement to be considered. So compare to three statement: income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Income statement plays important role in an organization. So with the income statement, we can make most important decision making in our business too. So the thing is, you all know what is our accounting year. So every 3 months we will call it as an quarter. So the accounting year starts from April to March. April, May, June, first quarter. July, August, September, it's second quarter. October, November, December, it's third quarter. And Jan, February, March is fourth quarter. For every quarter, the particular company, public sector or private sector, whatever the organization will file, will have the audit report, right? For every 3 months, how much sales they can able to get, and how much they can able to get out of it, and so on. How much sales, how much income they have get on that particular 3 months of period, expense and everything. So income statements plays vital role, as I mentioned earlier. Income statement plays vital role in everyone's life as well as in a particular organization too. If you take a individual also, income statement is there, right? How much we are every day, how much we are doing our expenditure and how much income we are getting. Even our lifestyle, it's lies on income statement only. How much we are earning, how much we are spending based on our income. That's more, that's the thing. So same thing, income statement, it's like a horoscope, right? If you take an individual, horoscope will tell everything about that particular personality based on the math and science. Similarly, income statement will speaks about the organization performance and what are the important decision making they have to uh, do in that particular business. Fine. Let me tell. Uh, I have taken SBA. You all know State Bank of India. So it's one of the public sector banks. If you take, there is a n number of public sector banks. In n number of public sector banks, the only bank, SBI, gets more profit compared to all other public sector banks. Only SBI getting profit compared to all other public sector banks. Private, as usual, private banks are getting more profit out of them. So out of it. So we'll see income, the real time uh, income statement of SBA, State Bank of India. So you all, in this video, I have kept shared some a pic of income statement. You are not aware about it, right? Money control. The I have opened money control website. Money control website. It's a website of BBC News. You all heard about BBC News, right? So money control is one of the app of BBC BBC News. BBC News order. It's one of the app is money control. Even if you see in a National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange, same data will be there. So with the reference to National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange data only, money control will furnish those data. So For my ease of use, I taken a money control website. In that money control website, I have searched SBI, State Bank of India. Fine. So I have taken and I have chosen financial statements. I have chosen finance. So if you take, this is the income statement of SBI, State Bank of India. So as I explained before itself, for every 3 months or for every quarter, they will furnish their sales and income, how much they are expending and so on. This is, we will call it as an income statement. Income statement is nothing but how much income we are getting, how much we are spending our expenditure, and overall how much we want to spend for our investment and tax. What is the exact net profit I am getting out of every quarter? That's all about income statement. So let me simply go through what are the things you want to know about it and the things. Fine. If you take recent March 2023 result is came, and December 2022, before 3 months before, September, June 2022, and March, the third month of everything will be there. Okay, fine. If you take April, May, June result will be there. Quarter result. July, August, September there will be result. September, October, November, December they will mention, and Jan, February, March they will mention March 2023. So fine. So first one is interest earned. It's nothing but sales. They mentioned the sales. So interest earned is nothing but sales. A few companies will mention as a sales. Sales is nothing but how much amount you are getting out of it, or how much quantity you are selling on that particular 3 months of period. So if you take SBI, they are keep on increasing compared to March 2022. They have increased little bit sales in June, little bit increase in September month too, December month too, and now March also they able to sales up to 98,083 crore. So this is the thing. Interested earned is nothing but sales amount, either sales amount or quantity, how much they have sale. That's the thing. Other income, it's nothing but a company will have lot of capital idea. So such capital can be utilized properly. So they will invest in other incomes like stock market, mutual fund, and loan purposes, and so on, bonds, and so on. From those things also, organization will get income out of it. Other income is nothing but SBI, which not used their money for not only for the functioning and operation of that particular bank. They are investing in stock market, mutual fund, and other sources with not making their capital more ideal. They are investing in some other share market, stock market, or mutual fund, and so on, commodity, and so on. And they are able to get some revenue out of it, even in real estate and their properties and so on. So if you take other income also, it's keep on increasing. 33. If you take March 2022, it's good, but June it's somewhat it's lesser. So that means what the SBI invested on that particular June month, it's gone down, or the thing is. And if you take September, December, and March, it's fine enough. It's good enough. It's keep on increasing. The how we will calculate total income is nothing but how much sales plus other income. So how much sales I got plus how much of other income I have got. Total income, it's nothing but how much income I am getting from my bank, SBI bank, as well as other source of income. I will add that 98,083 crore plus 38,769 crore. Totally, yes, 1,36,852 crore is the total income. If you take expenditure, so total expenditure, if you take total expenditure, it's we have to calculate for both. For other incomes also we have to note down, as well as for running that particular bank also we want to know that. So total expenses something you want to note down more important, because the expenses 1,09,622 crore, which is if you take sales, it's 98,083 crore. But if you take running a bank is they need a 1,09,622 crore, but they can able to get only the income of 98,083 crore. So it's a kind of it's the thing, expenditure it's keep on increasing year by for every 3 months. They have to how the cost can be controlled. They have to take that decision in SBI company or organization. So if you take next one as operating profit. Operating profit is if you take other companies and so on, they will mention sales and other incomes. From the sales and other incomes, you can able to calculate total income and total expenditure you can do. So direct thing is the thing is next is operating profit. They mentioned, right? Operating profit we will also called as earnings before interest and tax. Operating profit is nothing but we will call it as an earnings before interest and tax. Nothing but operating profit or EBIT, earning before interest and tax. We will call it as an total income minus total expenditure. How much income I am getting out of it minus total expense how much I am doing. Total income minus total expenditure, we will call it as an operating profit or EBIT, earnings before interest and tax. Interest before paying interest, before paying tax, how much amount I am getting out of it. I will call it as an operating profit or EBIT, earnings before interest and tax. So if you take SBI, they are paying around 5,100 crore for a tax, fine, as well as other expense also they are having proficiency and so on. So if they are having any debt, they want to pay the tax, as well as if they want to pay tax also, they have to pay interest also. If they have debt, they have to pay interest too. So from EBIT, earnings before interest and tax, they have to reduce tax and interest. So if you reduce tax and interest from EBIT or operating profit, then you will arrive net profit. If for example the EBIT or operating profit is 27,230 crore. If you take taxes 5,100 crore. If you minus 5,000, it's an 22,000 around. The proficiency contingency, it's nothing but it's a kind of a tax or interest rate they have to pay for other persons or something like that, death or something. If you less even 5,000 plus this thing, 9,000, it will reduce. 9,000, if it is reduced, the amount you will get it as net profit. Fine. So yes, proficiency and contingency, we will call it as an interest. Fine. After EBIT, I is interest rate is minus and it will give an EBT, earnings before tax. After tax is 5,000 crore, tax will also reduce. This is earnings. Earnings is nothing but net profit. So this is all about our income statement. just it's a very simple concept. No one you should aware about accounting and so on. It's not like that. Even an yeah, 10th or 12th student can understand what is a income statement is all about. Just sales amount and other income. You will arrive at total income. After that, how much total expense I am doing for that particular business. From that, I can able to calculate operating profit or EBIT. We will call it as an earnings before interest and tax. It's nothing but total income minus total expense. Varavu minus selavu. Okay, va. So that's the thing. Income minus total expense. We will call it as an EBIT. Before paying interest and tax. Once interest is here, it's mentioned as an proficiency and contingency. So interest is 3,800 crore. If I minus it, earnings before tax will come. After tax is 5,000 crore. I will reduce the tax because I want to reduce the interest and tax so that I will come out or I can arrive earnings or net profit. So this is all about our income statement. With this income statement, we can able to arrive more things. So the thing is, the important thing, let me tell. So if we want to increase profit in our business, there is two things. Either we have to increase our sales or we have to reduce our expense. If we keep on increasing our sales, our income will go up. That's one of the thing to improve our profit, net profit. And one more thing is we have to reduce the cost of operating that particular plant. If you reduce cost also, the particular company will come out with a good profit. That's one more thing. So this is the two things to either you have to increase the sales of the particular organization or you have to reduce the cost of that running the particular organization. Then only you can able to get a good profit out of the particular business. Even one more thing is the interest rate, the debt you have to get. If you are running a business, you have to only have 18% of debt, and then 82% of amount you should own by yourself. If you start a business now in real time, you have to own 82% of capital from your hand. Only 80% of amount you can get it as a debt. So if you get 18% as a debt, then you can able to pay the interest tax and you can able to get out of it. That's the thing. So otherwise, the interest rate will be keep on increasing so that your profit will come less. So that's the thing. This is all about income statement. So everything it's more important. So in how much income we are getting out of it, how we are improving our sales every quarter, and how we are minimizing our cost in our organization. Fine. And then how much our debt in. This is all important to get good profit in our organization, or in order to get profit maximization, we have to follow these three things. Thank you.